Let us see in this video how to create a Contra Voucher for bank-to-bank transfer. The Bank-to-Bank Contra Voucher is used to record fund transfers between two bank accounts within the same organization. This transaction does not involve any third party and helps maintain accurate records of internal bank movement in the ERP system. This transaction does not involve any third party and helps maintain accurate records of internal bank movement in the ERP system. From Bank State Bank of India to Bank Indian Bank, transfer amount 45,000. Let us take one bank as from bank and the other as to bank. Let us take an example entry. Let us log in with the username and password of creator's login to create a Contra Voucher for bank-to-bank transfer. Click on the Login button, click on Financials, click on Transaction, click on Payment and Receipt. Navigate to the Contra Voucher screen. Click on the Add button to create a new Contra Voucher entry. In the From Bank field, select the bank account from which the funds are being transferred. Currency will be updated automatically. The voucher prefix will be updated automatically. Enter the voucher date. This is the date the fund transfer took place. Enter the transfer amount in the Transfer Amount field. In the To Bank field, select the bank account to which the funds are being transferred. The To Currency will be updated automatically based on bank currency. In the Payment Mode field, users have the following options: check, RTGS, NEFT, TT, transfer, and cash. Check A type is used for a written order to a bank to pay a specific amount from user's account to someone. RTGS type is used for fast, real-time transfer of large amounts of money between banks. NEFT type is used to transfer money in batches between banks, usually processed within an hour. TT transfer is used for electronic transfer of money, often used for international payments. Cash type is used for transactions like cash to bank or cash to cash, where physical cash movement is involved between accounts. Now users are using the check A type for this transaction. For check A type transaction, enter the check number and check date. For other types of transactions, enter the reference number and reference date. Check number will be updated automatically based on the latest check number. Click on the Save button, Contra Voucher will be created. For transactions without charges, post the document. For transactions with charges, click on the Add button. Select the charges account. The default CPC description will be updated automatically. Enter the charges amount in the Amount field. Click on the Save button. For transactions without charges, click the Post button to post the document. For charges with tax, click on the GST Detail button. Choose the state code. The state description will be updated automatically. Enter the GST supply. Enter the GST number. If the GST number is entered, GST type will be updated as registered. If the GST number is not entered, GST type will be updated as unregistered. Enter the GST number manually. PAN number will be updated automatically based on the GST number. Enter the bill date and enter the bill number. Once the tax information has been updated, click the Save button. Then enter the appropriate HSN or SAC code. The tax rate will update based on HSN or SAC code. For intrastate transactions, CGST and SGST will be updated automatically. For interstate transactions, IGST tax will be applied. Click on Create Journal checkbox. The journal will be created and the charges amount will be updated automatically along with the tax amount. Click on View Journal to review the journal. The bank account will be debited. Bank charges will be debited. The tax amount will be debited. The bank account will get credited. Click the Post button to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. Navigating to the reviewer's login. Click the Login button, navigating to the approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click the Approve button to forward it to the manager. Click OK. Navigating to the manager's login to approve the document. Click the Login button. Navigating to the approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click Approve. Click the Approve button to approve the document. Click OK. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.